ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Okay, this is that what we can decide. Basing on that, we are going to see that so many kind of the problems now in the magnification. Then what about that magnification problem? This is very important in examination. Surely you'll get this kind of either they lost from the mirror formula or from the magnification. Magnification is that much important in everyday life also, in life applications also. There we have to be very careful in this kind of the observations whatever we make. Okay, and conventionally whatever the systems, whatever the rules, whatever we follow, these all we have to be very serious in taking that sign conventions also. See that here, suppose if we take that is any kind of the value, then automatically it changes the total value. Image size and object size, we may get the certain kind of the confusion. Shall we do one problem basing on that here? And suppose whatever that image formation is there for a different kind of the object, those all we can consider. Okay, now let us take that and as given in the textbook only in your state syllabus problem. And suppose when object size is of the 4 centimeter, I'll do one example problem for you, and so that you can understand this also. Okay, there we can take that an object of 4 centimeter size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a camera. An object is what we are taking, that an example problem. An example problem. There what we are taking, an object of 4 centimeters in size. Object size, what we have to take that for object size? Object size means what is the symbol for object size? HO. HO, this is about what? 4 centimeters in size, and which is placed at 25 centimeters in front of the concave mirror. Means U is equal to 25 centimeters. Then if it is existed like that, of the focal length 15 centimeter. Here we have one more value, that is F is equal to 15 centimeter. Then when it is that 15 centimeter, at what distance from the mirror it would be a screen we place in order to obtain the sharper image. Now there we have to find out by using the same, there we have to calculate V is equal to how much. These are to be found, to find V is equal to how much, and thereby then there is that where the image can be formed, that we can find out, and the size of the image also. What is the size of the image means what we have to write, what is HI. This is one important problem. This is very important problem. Now to find out that HI, we need to find out V also, because in this formula we know HO by HI is equal to minus U by V. Here what values we have? HO we have, and u also we have, and what is that u value? These two we have, but we do not have that hi. Hi we do not have, and v also we do not have. Two variables do not have. That is why let us find out one value v with the help of this u and f. Okay? Let us see that now. The first one, we know from the mirror formula, we know from the mirror formula. What is that mirror formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. You can change these terms also. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Like that also you can write. Here we are using the same. Let us substitute the values for this. What is the value of f here? We can write 1 by f. What is f? 15. And what is v value? That we have to calculate. And what about that u value? It is 1 by 25.
Hello students, my name is Vishal Kumar Sharma and I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Right now I am associated with K Venkana classes, and at K Venkana classes we are bringing your IIT top Delhi faculties. I am an HOD of mathematics at K Venkana classes. Okay. Now if you are choosing MPC, then you will have a chance to be taught under top Delhi faculties. If you are choosing BIPC as your subject, then you will have not only IIT faculties as well as a proper doctor teaching you. Similarly, we have if you are choosing MEC and CEC, so after second year for your CACPT exam, we have a very expert faculty specializing in CACPT. So what are you waiting for? Come and join KVC.
Now, what is 1 by v? This we can take this as what? 1 by 15 minus 1 by 25. What is that LCM? It is very clear that the LCM is 75. Then 15 5s minus 25 3s. Then here we can get 2 by 75. This is only 1 by v. Then from this what we can write? What is v? From this what we can write? V is equal to 75 by 2. 75 by 2 centimeters. But actually what we have to calculate? We have to calculate HI. Let us find out what is that HI in this. Okay? Let us see in all these values. Now let us go into that, and we have what formula we have? There we are using that formula, HO by HI is equal to minus U by V. In this let us substitute the values. What is that HO? What we have that HO? It is 4. What is HI? That we have to calculate. And what is U? There we have that minus 25 centimeter. And what is that V value? We have that 75 by 2 we have. Now let us calculate the same here I am doing here, and whatever that the values are there, let us find out here. In this case, whenever we are doing this kind of the problems, there we have to be very careful with this negative value. There we have to take that negative value. In this negative value, what we can take here, there you see minus 25 and all this. Let us calculate this. HI, from this here HI is equal to, what is that HI here will get? What about that HI? There what we can take here? HI is equal to 4 into 75 by 2. There I am writing here 4 into 75 by 2. 4 into 75 cross multiplication by 1 by minus 25. Then there we can cancel 2 ones are 2 2s, 25 ones, 25 3s. Then there the minus sign also is there. There we have to write it as minus of 2 into 3. There we can get this as what? 6 centimeter minus. There we are getting that minus 6 centimeter. Why it is minus 6 centimeter? By this what can we understand in this minus 6 centimeter? There what we can take in this? Let us see that what we can observe in all these cases. There we can take this value as what? In this case whatever the things are there we can take minus 6 images. So, we can take the image because of the minus, what we can say that minus means for whenever the measures are made below the principal axis, those are considered as negative. Here we got a negative value, that is why what kind of image is found? Image is inverted. Image is inverted. And what about the size here? HO is 4, but this is 6 centimeters. Now, is it magnified or diminished? We can say that it is magnified. See that in this problem we have used both. No? Now, let us see that here what kind of the problems we solved there. There what we have seen in this, there we can observe very clearly, very clearly that there what is there? Here HO, U and F value when those are given, to calculate this we use this formula and we use this data U and F. After getting that V value there, and we use that magnification formula, and this is that magnification formula, and we have now from this only, this is nothing but the magnification formula, M is equal to. Now, here also that we call this is magnification formula only. This is that magnification formula what you have to remember. Basing on that, this is a way what we can do the problems. I observed in this it is not very difficult and it is very easy for you and you can solve. And thanks for watching. We will close here.